In this section, you will be typing 5 words. Remember to separate each word with a comma or a space. Number 1, spoiled. He spoiled the surprise when he began to laugh. Spoiled. Think of the base word, spoil, and then add the suffix. Number 2, destroy. Please don't destroy his artwork. Destroy. Number 3, joining. Will you be joining our Zoom meeting? Joining. Again, think of the base word join, add the suffix. Number 4, joyful. My birthday was a joyful occasion. Joyful. Number 5, scarf. I wore a scarf to keep my neck warm. Scarf.